This hairstyle is currently trending, and I'm going to tell you why shortly in the video, but for now let's do a very quick tutorial on how to install this hairstyle. First of all, we used a one and a half packs of Darling Natural Twist, and the number of packs to be used here, it actually depends with the length and the size of the kind of twists you are doing. So it also depends with the client's volume. All right. What you're doing here is you're installing the twists using the knotless method. So if you have any idea on how to do the knotless method, where you're starting with the person's natural hair, this one is going to be very easy for you. Okay, so you just install it like just the way you install knotless braids. Add a little braid as you're going, and that is it. That's all you need to know. All right, and the reason why I love this installation method is because it's very light. There is no pulling of your hair, and it's very protective actually. So I'd recommend you to try this one. There are other methods of installing this one, but this is the best I can tell you so far. I've tried it and it's good, and in fact it's very long lasting. After installing and fixing at the bottom, and as you're finishing, remember to, after you've finished up to the end, remember to trim the ends so that you get a clean, flawless look, yes, at the end. All right. There's so many colors you can try with this hair, a variety of them. So yeah, you just have to go to your local beauty store and get it from there. And actually this hair, you can go to the gym with it, you can exercise with it, you can swim with it, you can wash it anytime you feel like, you can do a treatment. Yes, and the fact that it's long lasting, that is a bonus. So yes, that's it from me today, guys. If you have any questions, any suggestions, just leave them down in the comment section and I'll be following each and every one of it. Goodbye.